Hi guys, how are you guys doing? I hope you're all doing very well. I have not really created any kind of content regarding my pregnancy. I mean, just it comes naturally, especially I think when you have a little complicated pregnancy, it happens. But today is one of those days where I just feel like I'm in my 33rd week right now. This is me. You can see the mess around. I had my scan yesterday. The doctor told me to come next week again. So earlier I was going every 2 weeks. Now I'm going every week, and they will see when and how the baby comes and when the baby comes. So of course, the time is near for the baby to join us. It's Diwali tomorrow actually, and while we were anyway busy doing Diwali cleaning, I have also been ordering a lot of stuff for the baby and to set up the baby's nursery and to set up the baby's room. And I thought I will take you guys along this journey. At least I have not really vlogged anything, whether it's what I eat or my usual days or how my pregnancy went, because it's been, you know, it's not been that smooth, but of course I was mostly resting. It's not that it was bad, but it was just I was supposed to take it easy and rest a lot and pass as many weeks as possible, especially in my third trimester. I was supposed to take it very easy. So yes, I have been taking it easy, but today I finally thought, okay, let me now share something about before the baby comes and I get more busy. So today is the 30th of October, and some of the stuff has arrived in the last 3-4 weeks. I've started to order stuff for the nursery. I've envisioned the nursery. I finally have a small room which I can convert into my nursery. So of course I'm setting up a nursery where the cot, I've already ordered the cot and a chest of drawers for the baby stuff. Just gonna take you through all the stuff we've ordered or the stuff that's arrived. Not everything has arrived and I'm yet to set it, but since I'm starting to set this room, I thought maybe start off and show you some bits. So let me show you. This is a sofa cum bed. I've put a cover on it because I decided to make it white, and most of my furniture is white in color, and we need to put covers on it. Otherwise, a room with a house with kids, you will end up dirtying everything. So we've put a cover on this right now, but this actually converts into a bed as well. So it's pretty nice, especially for times when someone's visiting us, like my parents were visiting or my in-laws come. So they use this as a sofa cum bed also. So this was actually my studio cum guest room, which is now being converted to the baby's nursery. Now my cot hasn't arrived yet, but the mattress has arrived. It looks pretty nice. This is from Pottery Barn. So this is the mattress that has arrived. This is by Pottery Barn Kids. Even my cot is by Pottery Barn. I really like the stuff there. It's white and it's pretty interesting. That you can see is my breast pump. I ordered the Spectra S1 Plus. This is an old table that needs to go. This is a very old mirror that needs to go. So this is just stuff I will anyway get rid of. This is an IKEA storage, like a chest of drawers that has just been delivered. So today this will get assembled. So yeah, just for the storage of all of baby stuff, the onesies, the rompers, I'm going to try and do that video of where you put everything in these compartments. Let's see, I hope the size is good. I have 3-4 packages to open now, which I'm very excited for. Oops. Okay, so today the chest of drawer will get assembled. The cot will take another 5-6 days. I just want it to be ready now. I'm pretty late in all this, but I like the whole star and moon sky pattern on it. Looks pretty nice. The size is pretty nice. So the idea is the cot comes there and the chest of drawer comes here. So this is my area for the baby. Let's open these boxes. I'm going to call my help in and we'll open them. So we're just making space for all the things. All of this was ordered from this website called Tata Click Luxury. As you can see, there are certain brands from which I wanted the baby stuff. So one is a diaper bag, I remember. One is a baby nest, which I'm very excited about because I've heard a lot about it. One is a bathtub. That one is a S1 Plus breast pump. So yeah, let's open and let's see. The one night I just picked up the phone and started to order, and there was a great discount on a lot of the stuff that I liked. So, and I've ordered neutral colors. So Yeah, I anyway prefer neutral colors. So this is the baby jalebi diaper bag. I'm going to open this in a while, guys. I'll show you guys. Let me get all the stuff out of the boxes first. I think one is a diaper changing station, I remember, and that is the nest with the net on it, and that is the tub. So just some essentials that I've ordered. Sleep Cloud. Oh, ek minute pakad. This is the baby jalebi Sleep Cloud. I'm very excited for this. Actually, a lot of my stuff is by the same brand, Baby Jalebi, because I liked a lot of their stuff, literally. I need to order some more stuff too, but today's unboxing is of all the stuff that has arrived. So yeah. So this is the diaper changing station. So this is the diaper changing station, guys, which will come on top of that table that I'm getting set up. This will come there. And this last box is the tub for the baby. All the essentials basically I am getting ready, guys. So this is by Skip Hop. Yeah. So this is the 3-stage tub. Yeah. It's nice. छोटा लग रहा है नहीं? ठीक है. हाँ, baby ना और छोटा होना है. It has a net inside basically. हाँ. And it's ready. Wow, it's actually quite nice and quite big. This is a Tissadel chest of drawers from IKEA. I'll link it down below. And this is the changing station that I was talking about. That will be put on top. I just put it to check if it fits. But yeah, quite nice. Okay, so I'm quickly taking you guys through. I'm really not even ready. I didn't even plan to shoot this video. But since I'm unboxing, I'd rather take you through this raw content. So what this is, guys, first things first, I'll quickly take you through. The light is going and I have to go out and buy some Diwali decorations. Finally feeling like myself, honestly. Diwali brings that positivity in you. This is a changing station. This is also by Baby Jalebi. It's really nice and soft, and again I ordered the color beige because I'm a beige girl. All my furniture, baby furniture, is gonna be white, and on that there'll be beige. So it's nice and it's very soft. So yeah, for your diaper changing, this is the changing station. This is the diaper changing station by Baby Jalebi. It is really nice. You can order it from the website, but it's also available on Tata Click Luxury, and I actually had some credits and points in it, so I just used that and I got it at a good price. Looks very good. I'm not opening the full thing because it's gonna get dirty. This is what it's huge. I was waiting for, and I don't know if I can open this up. Okay, so this is the Sleep Cloud, again by Baby Jalebi. It's like, you know, this is something you put on the mattress, and oh, how pretty. Comes with a pillow, and the moment I saw it in the ads only, I was like in love. And let's see if I can unbox it nicely. You can see, so this is the Sleep Cloud. Comes with a pillow also, so I don't have to order a pillow separately. And it also comes with this net which is underneath it, which we can basically, so the net basically comes like this. Okay, I'll show you the final when I set up the nursery and all. But this is the beautiful Sleep Cloud for my baby to sleep in. How cute is that? Next up, I don't have place to keep these things right now. This is my baby's diaper bag, again from Baby Jalebi. This video is in no way sponsored by the brand. I've paid for all this stuff, but just liked everything so much that it was just totally my vibe. So let's just unbox it together. This is the diaper bag. Apparently they also do like customized diaper bags, but honestly I have not decided the name of the baby. Made for baby, designed for you. This is I ordered the color grey. It's a little too dark for me. In the pictures it showed to be much lighter, but honestly these things get dirty also a lot. So, and the you know, the nannies and the helps use it more. So I think it's nice. Super sturdy. Apparently has amazing compartments. So let's see. Oh wow. Oh yeah, this is something I wanted to see. So it has a lot of compartments, but most importantly, I was thinking if I need to order like a changing mat separately for diaper, but this already has it in it. So I don't need to order this separately. Comes with a belt, has a lot of different compartments as you can see. So a lot of stuff can fit into it. This bag is super sturdy and I really like it. And it has a lot of good compartments. See, again for the bottles and everything of the baby, a lot of stuff can fit in, the creams and the rash creams and everything. I think it's a very sturdy bag and very easy, hands-free to carry by anyone, me, my husband or the nanny, anyone. So this is the Baby Jalebi bag. I would have preferred a lighter shade, but I'm just thinking everything I'm ordering beige, so this grey is not bad. It's actually a nice color. So yeah, I don't know what this is for though. Oh, you can open it like this also. See? Nice and spacious is what you need when you move around with the baby. You really need your bag to be nice and spacious. Okay, the next item that we were talking about is this tub. I'm just going to take it out of its packing. This is the bathtub I ordered for the baby. It has this mesh, okay, it's packed, sealed right now. It's like a seat, mesh seat for the baby to be on, and the tub is really nice and cute. This is how it is. This is by Skip Hop again and looks very nice. It's a 3-stage tub. For newborn, full support, for infants and for sitters, actually for all three. And again, white and grey, kind of like my vibe, muted colors. So this is the next one. Okay. A lot has been unboxed today. So I also don't know how to use this and I haven't set it up yet. This is the Spectra S1 Plus breast pump, but I'm just going to take you through the parts. So it has the pump, of course, it has the bottle, the silicone valve, the breast shield, cover, airtight cap, tubing, backflow protector and cover. So these are the things that come with it. Apparently this was really acclaimed. I ordered it from, it's available on Amazon and a lot of places, All Things Baby also, but I got it from Tata 1mg because everywhere else it was sold out. So my husband ordered it for me from Tata 1mg website. So this is where I got it from. It's about 20,000 for this. Yeah. So, but yeah, apparently when I had my first daughter, when I had my first kid, my daughter, at that time, the breast pump I used was the Medela one. Everyone talks about that too. It's very good, but these days everyone talks about only this Spectra pump. So this is the one I've used. Now there are little things that I've also ordered. There's just a lot of stuff, especially clothes, and also maybe a separate video on that. Where I've ordered the muslin cloths, the swaddles, just my checklist of things that I needed, the smaller things. These are the bigger things I needed. Of course, a cot, of course, a chest of drawers, and of course, all these beautiful things. They're not like, I think not everything is a necessity. A lot of things you take because you like them. So yes, this according to me was what I needed for prepping for my baby. Maybe in parts, I will show you what else I'm doing to prep for the baby. This could be a part 1 because already I'm sure this video is long. But yes guys, I am prepping for baby number 2, which is coming very soon. I don't know, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 4 weeks. Let's see. Fingers crossed. I'm very nervous, just telling you my heart right now. While I'm prepping, of course, nesting mode is fully on. But I'm also very nervous. Hoping for a smooth delivery, hoping and praying for a healthy baby, hoping for everything to be good and fine. So yeah, very nerve-wracking time right now, but of course Diwali has added a lot of positivity. We just got a new mandir. I've actually moved into this new house about 5-6 months ago. So yeah, there's a lot of new stuff that we've bought in terms of furniture, but I don't feel the need or like the idea of room tour, but this is a video for new moms actually who are prepping for their baby, things I feel I needed and things you might also need. The pram, the only 2 things that we are using from my daughter's time is the pram. We had got it from Dubai. My sister-in-law had sent it, gifted it to us, and the pram is absolutely fine. It's a very sturdy pram, so that is something I'm reusing. And the Philips bottle sterilizer is also something I'm using. Now in terms of what bottle I've ordered, what wipes, what diapers, everything else. I think I will do one more video. The next video I can shoot it tomorrow or day after, whenever, post Diwali. I hope you like this video. Pray for me, and yes, very excited. So I'm unboxing this baby carrier nest. Let's see how it is. Baby carrier nest. Baby can be in this, and oh, it's super cute. So guys, we're setting up the station of all the clothes. These are the dividers I've got from IKEA, which we are using. ये last drawer खोलना, drawer like this. So you can see socks and caps. So yes, these are some cotton pads, these are socks, these are caps, bottles. So just compartmentalizing them into this. So because the clothes were lying just like that, so I'm just gonna put them in these boxes now. This is how I'm organizing. I'm just gonna put them like this. The sets, these are pajama sets.